welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to teach you how to run n8n on a locally on your system. I recommend you read the n8n hosting documentaries for production and other critical ways you want to use n8n on your systems. And also I will also post a link for the GitHub repository for n8n, this one. So yeah, n8n is a flexible AI workflow automation for technical teams. So using n8n, you can automate many aspects of many repetitive tasks very easily on using a very drag and drop system with nodes. And also you can get a lot of templates here default on their website in n8n.io.workflows. Yeah. So yeah, there are many templates that you can use, like generate AI viral videos with VO3 and upload to TikTok. And they also provide instructions and how to do it and everything. You can use it to automate. So yeah, let's get back to installing n8n. So we got Node.js, and you can install n8n on Node.js, but it's recommended to use Docker. So go to docker.com, and also today we're going to follow Docker. So go to docker.com and click on download Docker desktop. Then click on your operating system and your CPU, if it is Intel, Mac or Apple Silicon or AMD 64, that's for Intel and AMD, and ARM64 for Snapdragon and other ARM based SoCs. Then once it has finished downloading, go to the file and click on open, and then a window will open saying that do you want the Docker also to create a Docker desktop icon. Click on it should be clicked on automatically, there will be tick mark. If not, then click on that and click on next, and after some time it will install automatically. It's going to take some time, so I would recommend you grab a cup of coffee, and then you should get a window like this, and then click on close and restart. The system will restart. So yeah, so when you restart your system, you should see a window like this pop up. So yeah, you will get a window like this that will pop up, and just click on any keys, then click on yes for Windows subsystem for Linux, and it will install the background. So Docker subscription service agreement. So this will install a Windows subsystem required for Linux. And also here's a Docker subscription service agreement. It says that for the commercial use of Docker desktop at a company of more than 250 employees or more than $10 million in annual revenue requires a paid subscription pro team or business. So if you're an individual user and not a company, and also does not have more than 250 employees, not that. And if you're just a regular person that does not have a company that makes $10 million annually, or does not have more than 250 employees, then you can use Docker for free with some limitations. I think I'm not I do not know the pricing and things of Docker very well, so I may be wrong. So please go to Docker's website to check their pricings. You can also click on view full terms to view the terms. Here you can get all these things legally. So if a company, just go through your legal department to make sure that there is no problem here, or you may get problems later on with fines or some subscription or things. And you can also click here to see details for their subscription. Yeah. So yeah, it has also finished installing. Now let's click any key to exit, and you can also click on accept. Yeah, you also skip this part too. Click on the skip button. I am currently running the personal version. My version is 4.48.0, the latest one according to the time that I'm making this video. Welcome to WSL. You can also ignore this, I guess. So yeah, to install n8n, go to images, click on search, then type n8n IO, and yeah, you should open up n8n nio.n8n with 100 million downloads, and click on pull. Now it will download and pull the Docker image. So yeah, it has finished downloading n8n latest. So yeah, when you have finished downloading n8n on your system, click on run. Then in option settings, click on here and just type a port number 5680 and click on run. Click on allow and it asks for permissions and click over here. Yeah. So to open n8n, just click on containers here, this one, and in here you should see ports and click on this one and it should open up. Yeah, it open up. Then you need to fill in your details. After you have filled in your details, just click on next. Then customize n8n to you. So fill in these details too. Just fill in some details like this and then click on start. Get started. Then you can also skip this one. So yeah everyone, that's it for today in this video. I hope you guys are having a great day going forward and see you guys in another video.